Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Sudoku in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on a Thursday. January the 21st, 2021. Yes. We have 3 Sudokus left to solve. 4 star Sudoku. I will start. And later, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Yes. And this will be a number 2200. 2200. Yes. 2200. And before I start, I always count the printed digit. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 again. Yes, as expected, 25 printed digits. Usually 24 with the 4 Stars Sudoku, but now it's 25. All of them are 25. Alright, so let's get started. Middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in this big square, so no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. That means 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers, and 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. How about the numbers? Let me see. The numbers. Ay. 3. Look, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this big square. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. So these 3. 1, 2. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the row above? So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 8 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We see here the 8 and the 6. So no 8 and the 6 in this box. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and 6. So 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and the 3. Missing 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5 and a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. And then these 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. Yeah. 3, 3. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well. 7. Yeah. Ah, 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 8, and 6. 4 and 8 and 6 in the second row, and look, we have a 4 and an 8. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 6. All right. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6. The 7 is missing. 5, 7, and 9 are missing in this column. 5, 7, and 9. And look, we have a 7 there, no 7 here. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. The 9 goes in that box, and the 5 goes here. Yes, alright. And now, let me think. Three, no, 1, 5. 1, 5. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row, so on the row between. The only place for a 6 should be there. Then, wow. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 numbers are reserved in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and 7. That means the other 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Let me mark those two numbers. I think there are a lot of pairs here, a lot of pairs. Those two numbers in this last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 7 are missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, another pair. This pair in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. No, 8 we have. 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So, we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So, in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. How about... Ooh, yeah. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then. Yeah, and now, the 3, 7. Yeah. 8. I'm thinking. There are a lot of pairs. Let me mark some boxes. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this big square is a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here or could be there. Ay. 4, 3 here. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Then 6. We have a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 goes together with the 3 in those 2 boxes. 6 and a 3. That means I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 7 there, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 1. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column, the third column for the number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now, and now, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, so no 4 there, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair, so 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Now I have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be a 3. And this should be a 6. Okay. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 3. Okay, so we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then boom, 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 boom. 8, 6, and 4. 8, 6. 3 missing numbers in the first row. 1 of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in the third row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. And I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. And look, we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be a 7 anymore. This should be a 7. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now I have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 will be here. And the 3 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, yes. If it's a really 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And I'm very pleased with the time. So is this really a 4 stars? I don't know. I do not know. What do you think? Let me know. You can place a comment. Anyway, I'm very pleased and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a binary one and a tectonic one I will solve. So see you later. Bye bye for now.